Namaste, Prema from India. Today we are making a recipe of coconut cookies. For the ingredients, so here I taken for 50 grams of sugar powder, 50 grams of grated coconut, 100 grams of butter, or you can use a vanaspati, 150 grams of maida, and 1 pinch of elachi powder. So first we can add for the butter on this. For this I can add a sugar powder. So mix well. So now for that I'll adding for the elachi powder. So adding here for the coconut powder also. This is you can mix for the nicely blend up on this. So don't need for the add water or milk anything. So it will become for the creamy part. Now I can add a maida and make a soft dough. So first you can add for the maida, make it on the soft dough. So now the dough is ready. We'll make a shape of this. So just we can roll it on the coconut on this. Keep it. Similar thing we can make it here. First we can make a shape. Then roll it. Now the coconut cookies is ready. So we can use for the here. We can go for the convection 200 degree preheat the oven. So once it will be go for the preheating, it comes to the beep sound. It comes to the beeping sound. Once the beeping will become, I am using for the high grill rack with a multi-cook pan. We can open the door, keep it inside for the microwave, close the door, set the time for 15 minutes. 15 minutes, start. So we are using for high grill rack with a multi-cook pan. Seconds will be there. So your coconut cookies is ready. Okay, those are ended. You can see here. See, ma'am. So it's nicely browned and come out well. Okay, coconut cookies is ready. Thank you.